How much of each color do I need to mix to make indigo?
Hello everyone, welcome to this color mixing guide. Today, we're going to focus on creating one of the most intriguing and appealing colors of the spectrum, indigo. This deep, rich color lies between blue and violet on the color wheel, and it has a certain mystique that can add depth to any artwork. But how can we create it? Let's get started.
Understanding color basics.
Before we dive into mixing colors, let's go over some color theory basics. Colors can be divided into primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. They're called primary because they cannot be made from other colors. Secondary colors are made by mixing two primary colors, and they include green, orange, and purple. Tertiary colors are made by mixing a primary color with a secondary color.
What is indigo?
So, what is indigo? Indigo is a deep, rich color that lies between blue and violet on the color spectrum. It's closer to blue and is often described as a dark blue-purple.
How to mix colors to create indigo.
Now, the main event. To create indigo using your basic colors, follow these steps. 1. Start with your primary color blue. Indigo is a blue-based color, so it makes sense to start with a lot of blue. 2. Add small amounts of red. Slowly add red to the blue, bit by bit, mixing as you go. Remember, indigo leans more towards blue, so be careful not to add too much red. 3. Tweak with black, optional. If your indigo isn't as dark or as deep as you'd like, add a tiny bit of black to your mix. This should be done sparingly though, as too much black can overwhelm the color. In terms of ratio, a good starting point might be 5 parts blue, 1 part red, and a touch of black if necessary. However, these ratios aren't set in stone and can vary depending on the specific paints you're using. The key is to experiment and adjust as needed. And that's how you can mix your colors to create a beautiful indigo. Remember, the magic of color mixing lies in the experimentation process, so don't be afraid to try out different ratios until you find the perfect indigo for your artwork. Thanks for joining us on this color mixing journey. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy painting!